In the next episode, Decla's emotional breakdown will become the turning point of this story. She will not to scream at one to everyone immediately. Instead, she may become too quiet that silence will frighten Erkan more than anger, because when a person stop asking questions, it sometimes means they have already started to walking away. Decla will not to know that believe anymore. The truth about her sister has opened a wound that touches every part of her life. Erkan will realize that hiding truth was the biggest mistake he was made. He may be believed that was protecting Decla from pain, but now he will see that pain has only become too bigger. If his love will push to fix everything, but Decla will not to accept promises. She will want to action. She will want to prove. She will want to Erkan to stand with her. Even the truth destroy everything around them. Kadir will remain too important because he has become the bridge between Decla and the truth. But this presence will also make the emotional conflict stronger. Erkan will not to trust and Kadir may not to trust Erkan either. Decla will catch between two men, but the real fight is not about to romance. Her real fight is about her sister and her past and lie that kept in her darkness. The Aldur family will be shaken to Hamadi death in a moment of grief. People either together or fall apart. This family may begin to create a new wave of tension. Insi will be forced to face the damage she caused. The more she tries to escape, the more trapped she will become. Farman will use to choose these advantages. He will not to try to Daria. True will come out easily. His angered Sivan will become a personal the plan to prepares may hurt to Nilofer as well. Sivan and Nilofer love will be tested not to become misunderstanding, but the real danger their bound will be need to strength, courage and sacrifice. Feathers to be a will closer than ever. She will begin to understand that the missing piece of her life are connected to people she may already know. This discovery will prepare ground for emotional meeting. The next episode will bring to be a secret closer to surface, and once they are revealed, no one be able to hide behind lie again.